I'm Andre. I'm from South Africa, commercial farmer there. If I would have known the weather would have been this nice, I would have brought my swimming wear. But so basically, if you look at farming, the dynamics of farming has become very, very complicated, whereas farming has really become risk management and nothing more. A farmer on a daily basis has to contend with a hell of a lot of risk factors. You take weather, soil, economic risks into account. All these things they need to contend to on a daily basis. So what Farmboek basically is, it's an online risk management platform for farmers, by farmers, that uses big data and technical information that we integrate with blockchain technology to improve the sustainability of commercial farmers and small-scale farmers within Africa by addressing one of the main aspects, and that is asset management, being knowledge, physical assets, capital assets, whatever the case might be, and really being able to extract the maximum economic value out of those assets, and by leveraging on transactional costs as well. So basically what we do is we integrate everything into the Farmboek platform, and then we get a good idea of who the farmer is, where he farms, and what does he farm with, so we get a good idea of who the guy is. And then this is integrated into a farm management system. I've recently discovered the best word to describe this. I just have to say terroir, and all of you will know what I'm talking about. This then is layered onto blockchain technology. We use the IOTA protocol. It's a German foundation. The basic functionality of this is just immutable data. The only way that you can build effective models is if you have relevant data from ground source, and at the end of the day, leveraging that to build the data, the models, sorry. So we then put this into a system we call AfriOTA, which is seamless transacting with no transaction fees. We leverage smart contracts on top of that, and data integrity is ensured in every step of the process. One distinct advantage is the supply chain auditing, where I know traceability in France specifically is a big thing, but specifically when you're getting products out of Africa into Europe, that is also one of the big things. And then because of the way the protocol is set up, you can now effectively manage assets using IoT devices and being able to extract the maximum value out of the physical assets. This then is fed to the whole ecosystem, if we can put it like that. The main aim is the farmer still owns the data, because he's at the end of the guy generating it and using the platform, and through that we leverage it, and the farmer gets paid for his data as there's other players wanting to use that. Then we go full circle. This is basically an automated extension officer where it advises the farmer, small scale, commercial, on exactly what to do at what specific phase, integrating terroir. So basic traction, we've got about 10,000 users in South Africa, 5,000 commercial farmers with a turnover each of about $1 million. And we've got a Facebook community of about 12,500. Our main creation value pools are basically advertising, trade optimization, payment transactions, and then we leverage e-commerce. So basically how it works is the farmer will go farmer info, field crops, maize, select this, get a list of the diseases, go to remedies, and select the product, inquire, and then basically get to somewhere where you can buy it from. This is basically our partnerships, quickly, customers.
Andre, that's the end.
This is our vision.
Merci, merci beaucoup. Les dernières 3 minutes de questions avec le jury.
Who buy?
Who buy?
Who buy this product?
The product. The product is free to use for the farmers because the farmer is the one bringing the value to the platform. Is it good? So it's free to use for the farmers. The farmers is bringing the value to the platform. So we then leverage off of industry. We work with DuPont Pioneer, for example. We handle their whole digital media strategy and incorporate a lot of marketing for them in terms of that. And there's other value adds as well, subscription services for the farmer, add-ons.
What is the market you target? Only Africa, South Africa, or outside?
There's a lot of players in the world. The main aim is we've got a distinct value or advantage in Africa is we're from Africa. We understand the cultures and everything that goes around that, and that we first go and need to create the value. So we start with Africa. If there's opportunities outside of Africa, we would love to come to France. Everyone open? But then we go into that market as well. But first off, commercial farmers, South Africa, and then bridge out from that into the rest of the continent.
One question about because we know for now there are a lot of initiatives in Africa globally about farming, and the question is, did you already think about a possibility of integration with external solutions? I'm thinking about something like APIs or other. Can you say something about
our main aim is that we're not building all the solutions ourselves. We want to act as an aggregator of specific technologies, because we can't be a specialist in every single field. And specifically when you're looking at Africa, the cultural barriers that the people creating those solutions within those countries, they're the specialists. And we just want to aggregate that and provide the farmers and the mechanisms for them to actually be able to have a sustainable business model.
Okay, so for a practical case, for instance, a farmer in Cameroon would be able to join the network somehow and be able to share his experience or something like that?
Yes, that's in the pipeline. We're building a total digital agricultural union, if I can put it like that, where knowledge base is one of the, knowledge sharing is one of the aspects.
Okay, thanks.